Hello, so this is the breadboard implementation of the vending machine. So this pin we don't have enough buttons. So what we'll be doing is we're using a button for the selection process and all the or for the confirmation process, and we're using the VCC to ground method for all the other pins. So for the selection process, if I lift this up, we can see that it will alternate from it will pick from the selection, and right now it's picking. And if I put it in again, so this is 0, so this is 0 0, so this should be a burger. And if I lift these and put it to VCC, it should insert the money, and once I put it back, it should have deposited the amount of money needed. And once I put this to ground, then it should dispense it. And when I put it back again, yeah, but it does dispense, and it makes the once it dispenses, as we can see earlier, it made the sound for the thing. And yeah, that'll be all. Thank you.